Today we are going to show you how to use the Turing distributor dashboard in Turing Money. You can use the dashboard to see total clients, monthly recurring revenue, and year-to-date income. You can also see your client information, employee sale information, and device information as well. Turing Money is a distribution tool. You and your employee can use it to scan the QR code on the box, and the info of the device will appear on your dashboard. You and your employee can either use Turing Dashboard or Turing Money to create clients. These two are using the same database, which means that the client info will appear in Turing Money, and if you use the Turing Dashboard to create it, vice versa. Here are the instructions on how to use the software. Number 1, after purchasing a product from SavvyTech, you will get an invitation of registration on Turing Video. Number 2, you'll set the password and log in the dashboard, and you can use the same email address to log in Turing Money as well. The features of the dashboard include the following: dashboard overall, adding clients, check clients list and payment information, add employees, check employee list and sale information, and device list and information. The sales of your company can also use this dashboard. What you need to do is click the Add Employees button and enter their email address. Also, sales will get an invitation of the registration on Turing Video. After setting the password, sales can use the same email address to log into the dashboard and the Turing Money software. Your employees' dashboard is a little different. They can only add clients, check clients' information, and device information. You and your sales can both use the Turing dashboard to add the clients, but each client can be added only one time. For Turing Money, when you or your employees use the login info to log in Turing Money, if you haven't created the client through the dashboard, then you need to create the clients first. The system will then send an invitation to your client and let him or her register and fill out the payment information. Next, you will go to Activate and select the client. Scan the QR code. Give it a price, and then activate the box. Now you can go back to the Turing dashboard. The client and the device information will then be listed. Other features include the deactivate option. In other words, when your client wants to return the product, you can use this feature. Also, resend invitation allows you to resend the invitation to your client. Box info, allowing you to scan the QR code to see the information of a specific box. Thank you.